Alright, y'all, we made it down here to the pools. Got plan B over there, ready to go. So we're gonna try to get some good hooks tonight. May not be a whole lot of good video. Camera troubles again. I need to get this figured out, but it is what it is for right now. So hope you all enjoy what we do get. Time to do some sketchy stuff, doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it all the doo-dah days. That's what we're gonna be doing. Hey y'all, I was sitting here editing this video up and realized that all the footage, except for a couple clips, are on time-lapse. I was using one of my action cameras to do the videoing this week and to see if I could get better quality, and it didn't work out. So sorry about it. I stretched them out as much as possible, but there is no sound. That's why there's music underneath everything. But I hope you do enjoy it, and I hope you watch to the end. So thanks a lot.
in the video this time. Come back here.
Alright, y'all, that's going to do it for this video this week. I didn't shoot an outro that night. It's late when we were getting home, so this is the next day or so, and I'm editing the video up. I apologize again for the quality and the sound, but you know, it is what it is. I did get some video for y'all. Promise I'm trying to do better for you, but I don't know what else to say. There is a giveaway coming up. Watch my Sunday live stream, and I'll give you some more information on it at some point in time during the live stream. So it's going to be a pretty decent giveaway. So thanks y'all for watching. Please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and share it out to your friends. It does help the channel. Gets out more people watching it. YouTube will promote it out more, and maybe we'll get some better quality, you know, if we start getting better or more viewers and stuff. So anyways, thank y'all again, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.